Ayun, for example, puwede siyang hindi lang siya nagagamit for aesthetics 'no, yung mga non-woven products natin. It's very functional lalo na kung mas ma-develop pa ng PTRI. And then, for example, in furniture design, could be used as backing, for pillows, then yung mga interiors ng pillows could be used like that. And then yung isang example din could be, for sound insulation. Magandang i-explore 'to for installations 'no. For example, sa mga conference rooms, sa cinemas, yung mga walls natin. Kasi it's a very soft material that could absorb yung mga different kinds of sounds natin. Actually, nag-public sales na rin kami through our page and then, so far parang 3 kinds of design pa lang yung binebenta namin. But yes, little by little may production house na rin kami. Yes, so far parang nakagawa na kami around 50 to 60 na chairs and sofas din so far recently. Yes, so nakakatuwa na may ginagawa yung DOST PTRI na tulad nito because kung hindi, for example, kami new player kami sa furniture design industry and kung hindi namin malalaman yung, may ganitong product pala, may R&D palang ginagawa si PTRI, parang we would stick to the conventional idea na foam lang yung gagamitin namin. But in the future, these materials can be used for ayan, upholstery, acoustic panels, different partitions, lighting could be expanded din dun. For example, yung mga interior installation. So, nakakatuwa din na may mga research pa rin in our local country, no? Kasi before knowing PTRI, hindi ko nga alam na may PTRI pa. Pero this year, nakita ko they were really active na hindi lang natatapos sa research. Kasi usually, yes, madaming research ginagawa sa Philippines, but you cannot see na is it really applicable sa mismong furniture design industry? And doon, nakita natin doon sa exhibition na it could be used, it could be developed more than in the future. Meron kaming this coming July din nata, last week ng July is yung Artifino. And then we're planning din to have it launched din sa Manila Fame this year. So, ang nakakatuwa naman sa furniture and design industry or sa arts in general in the past year, it's very booming, no? Parang everyone's really supportive na, may ganito tayong product and you should try this, try local, promote our own culture. So, ayun yung nakakatuwa ngayon na everyone's promoting yung sariling atin. And I hope this trend continues, no? Actually, hindi nga na dapat siya trend is dapat, ayun, it would be better na really back up with the government din tayo when it comes to local culture and craftsmanship and Filipino artistry.